Cloud Balloon Cluster Assembly Tutorial. Intertwine and knot two identical sized balloons. Section off a small group. Twist the two small bundles of balloons together securely. Balloons are classified into 3 different sizes when being inflated. Take a length of thread and wrap the balloons together one by one. Attach the rubber band balloons to both sides of the cloud. Finally, secure the balloon with fishing line and anchor it on the foam cloud. And our white cloud-shaped balloon is all set.